Good. Okay, now let's start. We are starting from November 2024, version 1. Then we will look to version 2.
Oh,
Hello. Yerkan, we are looking to last two link which I sent to group.
I don't know if we did it, if I did it or no. I think I did one.
Okay, good. I will explain every question from both version. Okay, let's start. Ratio of base to height is equal to 1 to 8. So let's write just base over height is equal to 1 to 8. Then it says that base of triangle is equal to 152. Then what's the value of height? Height will be automatically 152 multiplied by 8. So it will be 1216. Answer is D. Second one. For second one, you can write this number instead of x. You can find its value like that. Or you can use Desmos. When we write here 0, it will be 24, so it is A or B. When you write 1, it will be 72. When you write -1, it will be 8, so answer is A. Or just write to Desmos, it's also okay. Phi of x is equal to 24 multiplied by 3 with power of x. Then create a table here, then delete that part. Then you can see that is 8, 24, 72. Answer is A. Okay, third one. For third one, just wait. Wait a minute. Okay, for third one, it says that it is more than 100 centimeters, so it is D. Each represent the, yeah, probably it is D. We don't need to read that part because they're more than 100 and it's correct for only D. 4. Here we can you think like that. First one is for 5 item it is 230. For 10 item it is 580. Which equation defines f? Here you can, if you want, you can create this table or you can find slope from here. It's also okay, but I am using table here. 510, 230, 580. Then press that one, or just write y is equal to kx plus b. It's also okay. Answer is D. 5. Because it's say increasing 0.67. Can you see my screen by the way?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Good. It says that increase 0.67% of previous year. Because say previous year it is exponential, increasing exponential. But if it was say initial or starting, it will linear. It will be linear. But because it's a previous or prior, it is exponential. So answer is increasing exponential, C. 6. Line
Initial or what?
initial or starting, beginning, and etc. like that.
Oh, okay.
6. Y is equal to x plus 9, 4 over 9. A0 means that y is equal to 0, so 0 is equal to x plus 9 over 4. And from here, x is equal to -9 over 4. Then answer will be just -2.25. 7.
Bizde 4 demedim. 9'da 4.
What?
9'da 4 olmalıydı yukarısı.
Yeah, right. Doğru.
Mm-hmm.
So answer is 4 over 9, -4 over 9, or -0.444. Okay, 7. For 7, you can write it in common denominator because x squared minus 1 actually is x minus 1 and x plus 1. And you can write it also in common denominator. It will be again x minus 1, x plus 1. Okay, what we will get here, x multiplied by x plus 1 plus 16 multiplied by x minus 1. Then we can eliminate this denominator part.
Mənim əslində lazım deyil. Promoy bunu yazsaq cavab çıxacaq da.
Yeah, right. If you write directly that one here, you will get answer from Desmos, but some students don't prefer use to Desmos. That's why I'm showing this method. Then you have to write it like this. 17x is equal to x squared plus x plus 16x minus 16. Then you can write x squared plus 17x minus 16 is equal to 17x. Then we can eliminate 17x. It will be 0 and 0. So answer is x is equal to 4 and negative 4. Because a positive solution, answer is positive 4. So it is 4. Or you can just write the Desmos like that. 17x over x squared minus 1 is equal to x over x minus 1 plus 16 over x plus 1. Then look to Desmos, you will get it is answer here like that. If you write it like this, you will get automatically value of x, 4. So answer is 4 again. How many solution we have? Again, if you want, you can write the Desmos like that, plus 5x.
Baxırıq x-lər də bərabərdir. Qıraqdakı 14 vur 9, 14 vur 9 deyir, amma infinity remainder.
Yeah, right. Because we have one line here, two line, but two same line, it means that is infinity main solution. But when it is equal to, for example, 14, you have to write it y is equal to 14 because it doesn't show a graph of 14. Okay, and also let's look how to solve it without Desmos. It is equal to that one. Then let's open both of them. 14x plus 14 is equal to 14x plus. That is 9 multiplied by 14. 14 multiplied by 9. If you calculate it, you will get 0 is equal to 0, and it means that it's infinite number of solution. So answer is C. 9. It says that the sum of two angle R and S is equal to 90 degree. So let's write it. R plus S is equal to 90 degree. It says that sine R is equal to 2 square root of 10 over 7. We know that when sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree, their sine of one of them is equal to cosine of other one. So it is equal to cosine S actually. So answer is same, answer is B. 10. For margin of error generally we have two type of question. One of them is like that. They give value of margin of error. You have to just add and subtract it. And one of them is related to that one. When sample size increase, margin of error decreases. We are looking this type of question third time now. Okay, so here you have to just look here. You have to read it very fast. You have to look margin. It's a margin, how margin of error change. So we have to find sample size. That one is 137 member. That one is 274 member. It means that sample size is greater, so margin of error will decrease. Answer is A. Any question? Okay. 11. For 11.
Həmişə median eyni qalır, min dəyişir.
Yeah, median will be same, mean will increase. Okay, let's say that we have a data set like 1, 10, 19, and 20. If you add here bigger number, it will increase automatically, right? So for example, if you add here 100, mean will increase. Mean will increase all the time. But when we are looking to median, for this case, it will increase. But if it was like that, it will be same. Because we have
Median never
number here.
change.
Not what?
Median never change.
Median never change in SAT, but generally it can change also.
Generally, yes.
Yeah, but for SAT, until this time, I saw median is same every time for this type of question. But maybe they can put different question right now. They can make it like that, like this, okay? Then they
And the
can
median
ask
change.
this question again. Then median will change. Then answer will be 1 or 2. But for this one, it is only B. So that's why if you have this question at your exam, if you have time problem, select only mean first, but then check it.
Yəni ştrixlərlə olsa onda median da dəyişir elə.
Yo, burada bir dənə olsaydı belə, onda median dəyişəsiydi. Çünki bilmirəm, bəlkə də
Yəni eyni
bırakmadan
olsaydı.
yapardı. Yəni, rəqəmlər biraz fərqli olsaydı dəyişə bilərdi, arta bilərdi median. Amma burada median eyni qalır.
Ha.
Medianı yoxla, birdən-birə yazma. Əgər vaxt problemin varsa, birinci sadəcə 2 yaz. Sonra yoxla bunu yenə.
Okay.
Yoxlamadan yazma. 12. For 12, let's try to decimals, create a table. -13, 48, 0 and -17. Then write here y1 is equal to kx plus b. Then it is y is equal to -5x plus 17. Now let's find a3. a3 means that x is equal to a and y is equal to 3. Find it. It will be, I think, -3. Or no. I think I make a mistake here. Just wait.
Bunu bilirsiniz necə
It's
eləmək
negative.
olar?
It's negative. What?
Bunu deyirəm, biraz başqa cürə də eləmək olar.
Yeah, we have actually a lot of method generally.
Mhm.
But you can use different method. You can write to decimal.
Biz yaza bilərik y məsələn 3-ə bərabərdir. Onda açıq
Yeah, you
ayı
can also
yazırdım.
write y is equal to 0, then you can look at its intersection point. It's also correct.
Sonra da x-in x3 o birisini və çıxırıq da toplayırıq.
Yeah, right. So it is -30. So when you add it, you will get D. Also, you can write y is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, then you can look from decimal. It's also okay. 13. When quadratic function is given in this form, x plus something, let's say it is a square, is equal to, let's say, b. For that one, if b is, it looks like actually absolute value. It's also same for absolute value. So let's write also absolute value here. Okay, for both of them, if b is greater than 0, there is two solutions. If b is equal to 0, there is one solution. If b is less than 0, it is no solution. I'm writing that one here because most students here open the bracket and they are doing some longer calculation. I'm sending it to group also.
Mhm.
Okay, 14. Okay, we are looking at that one. Then you have to, we can eliminate this 45, it will be 0. If it is equal to 0, there's one solution, answer is B. Just wait.
Desmosda yəni y yazsaq onsuz da 0 0 0. Orada bir dənə sayır da. Yəni bir dənə həlli 0-dır deməkdir o da.
Yeah, right.
Bu Desmosda da eləmək olar ya.
Yeah, you can give a number instead of K and you can look it from decimals. It's also okay.
Yes.
14. For 14, when it say, what's the, or just wait. Okay, express P in terms of C and V, it means that if answer you have any letter different from C and V, it is not correct. So in this question, look this one. We have P here. It's not correct automatically. Okay, then let's write it here. CV square over P is equal to square root of PR. Okay, here we have two methods to solve it. We can give a number instead of CV. We can find P, or we can just raise it to square and we can find P in terms of C and V. Let's do second method. C square V with power of 4 over P square is equal to PR. Then you have to make P in one side and non-P in other side. So let's write it like this. Let's write instead of R 41, it is 41. And let's write it in second side like this. Then let's make this p square in here. If write p square, it will be like this, and it means that it's actually p cube. Okay, after that you have to find p from here. P is equal to cube root of this one here. So it is the answer. Answer is D. Answer is D. Any question? No? Okay. 15. For 15, you can write this value in this inequality. You can find it from here. But for doing it faster, I recommend you write it to decimals. Y is less than -6 minus 21. And open this bracket. Y greater than -4x minus 9. The great table here. -7, 17. -8, 37. -10 and -4. Just wait, just wait. Okay, then let's look them. Okay, you can see that none of them is inside of this blue area. It means that none of them is correct, so it is not correct. Let's look B. For B, we have here 21. 21 is on the line, but because it is smaller and greater than, because we don't have here equal, it is not also correct. Let's look C, it is 18. It is not also correct. So let's look 20, it is correct. Let's look 26, it's correct. And let's look 37, it's also correct. So answer is D here. 16. For 16 says that we have a rectangular region like that, divided into 88 square lots of equal area R. So it divided by 88, let's say smaller, some kind of area, something. I don't know how it's shaped. So it will be 88R. It is equal to. Then it says that length of region is 5.5 times of width of the region, and width is x squared root of r. So that one is actually x squared root of r. Okay, and that one is 5.5 square root of r. Then it means that when you multiply,
88 bölüb 5.5-ə baxaraq ki, nəyin kvadratı?
yeah,
16-da
right,
o 4 olur.
right, x squared root of r multiplied by 5.5 square root of r. Then if you want, you can, yeah, we can actually eliminate r, right?
Arın ya arın aha belə deyim.
Then x over 5.5. If you want, yeah, you can write instead of r 10 or 100. It's not important.
Amma x 4 eləyir axı.
Ah, yeah, because it's x squared. I make mistake here. Just wait.
Arın yerinə y yazmaq olar ora.
We have also x here. I forgot about x. No. You cannot write y. Because if you write y, you will get function and you don't know what to do with this function.
Okay.
Okay, it's like that. I think you can also maybe do it. Okay, no, we don't need to do anything more. Because it's actually very simple. You can eliminate r, right? Then you can look it from decimals, you will get 4. It's all. Okay, 17. Circle inscribed in a square. Circle inscribed in a square. So let's say that this one is our square. Let's say that it is our circle. Like that. Okay. And then it says that circle touch the midpoint of each side of square. It say this part. So it touch here. The length of diagonal of square is equal to 136 units. So it says that that one actually is, just wait. This one, it is diagonal, it is 136 unit, right? So because it's square, it is 90, 45, 45. So it is isosceles right triangle. So it means that here side of square is equal to 136 over square root of 2. and it is equal to 70, 60, 68 square root of 2, right? And we know that here side is equal to actually diameter. It's equal to diameter. Is it okay? We know that radius is equal to diameter over 2. Then it is equal to 34 square root of 2. And we know that area of circle is equal to actually PR square. So it will be P and it is square. It is square will be 2312. So it is the answer. Answer is A. Any question?
No. Bir dənə baxın, bu neçə 16-da mən bilirsiniz nətər yazdım. Y square root of x multiply by 5y square root of x
Which one?
and
Which one
it's
are you
equal
talking about?
88x.
16?
16. Mhm.
Okay, tell.
Y square of x multiply by 5y square root of x and equal to 88x. No, y root of x square
Okay.
root of x. Multiply by 5y multiply. Yes, 5 y and square root of x. Yes, and it's equal to 88x.
Okay.
Because it's also in, yes, and we get 4. Yes,
Yeah.
I do like that.
No, actually, maybe you did it like this.
No, I didn't.
Actually,
I
both
didn't.
are the same.
Both of them correct. Yes.
Yeah, why it is correct? Because this square root of x, this square root of x will be eliminated, and you will get y. And you say instead of x is, you write instead of x is y, and yeah, answer is 4.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Any question from 17?
No.
Last year, I saw a lot of questions related to circumscribed square, circumscribed rectangle, and etc. So probably you will also see question related to that one. This question, when we are talking about decreasing a number by some percent, we have to use this formula. If it is, for example, a percent increase, a percent more increase tax, also we can add here tax. It is 100 plus a over 100. When it is a percent less, it is, or decreasing a percent, discount a percent, and etc. It is 100 minus a over 100. So it says that we have to decrease it by 0.42%, so it will be 100 minus 0.42 over, just wait, over 100. So answer is 0.9958. But in exam you cannot enter all of them because in exam you can enter up to 5 character. 5'e kadar girebilirsiniz. So that's why you have to write dot 9958. So it is the correct one. Okay?
Demə bu exponential funksiyon içindəki var 1. Elə bir 1-dən 0.42 çıxır. Ona
Yeah,
görədir.
yeah. It is similar to that one. Yeah, actually it's the same. We also use that method in exponential. Polygon has exactly 57 sides, and say if the measure of each of the 57 interior angle is equal to 180p, we can write here 180p is equal to, here we have the first point, it is sum of interior angles, it will be 57 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. Then we have to divide it by, it is number of angle, because it has 57 sides, it means that this polygon has 57 angle. Then we can eliminate 180. then it is our answer. 55 over 57.
But why do we do -2?
It's a rule.
Because of formula, yes, m minus 2.
Yeah. M minus 2 over n. Actually, it's the for NASA. Just wait. This formula. Sum of interior angle for any sided polygon is m minus 2 multiplied by 100. But when you want to find each interior angle, one interior angle, you have to divide it also by number of sides. This one, okay?
Oh, okay.
I am also sending that one to group. Okay. Demek oradaydık biz. Okay, 19. So answer is 55 over 57. 20. Because it says that position 15 is p% more than 10, because there's a difference of 5, it means that you have to look only inside of bracket. 20.41. So 20.41 minus 1 multiplied by 100, it is 1941. So answer is C.
Okay. Just please stay. 20.41 minus 1. Just
Yeah, yeah.
this.
Yeah, justice.
Deməli,
Ben
bunu o funksiya kimdə yazmaq olar ya?
Yeah, I am
Yazırsın
also doing like function.
bunu yəni dəyişmirik. O məsələn orada yazılı bax p% more nə bilim nə.
No,
Heç
no,
nəyi
we
dəyişmirik.
find p% automatically from here. But there's a case like that. It is correct if it is n over 5 and there's a difference of 5 here. But if it was like that, position 15 is p% more than position 1, it will be different. Now
Yəni
you
ancaq 20-41-dən elə bil minus 1 eləyirik
Yeah.
if söylə.
Yeah, right.
O yəni n-dirsə, yəni üstündədirsə 5 dəyişmirsə onda belə eləyirik. Elə
Ha,
alınır elə.
düzdür. But
Yəni
generally
5-i
for
dəyişmirsə.
əgər burada n bölək 5'dir. Bu hər 5'dən 1 deməkdir. Burada da 15'dən 10'a 5 vahid fərq var deyə düzdür. Amma 10 vahid fərq var desəydi, onda biraz fərqli olurdu.
Onda nətər yazardıq?
For that one, you have to always use this one. Difference over old value multiplied by 100. So from here, you will find automatic percent. So let's write f of 15 minus f of 10 over old one is f of 10, right? Because 10 came before 15. Then multiply by 100, so you will get that one.
Deməli, bunu başqa cür yaza bilərik.
You're writing here 100.
Ora 100 yazın.
Yeah, it's also correct.
Oradan sonra 2041% eləyir. 2041-dən 100 çıxırdıq 1941 eləyir.
Düzdür. It's correct.
Olar bir şey soruşum. F10-u old one F10
Yeah,
idi
old
elə.
one. Çünki 10-15'dən əvvəl gəlir.
Yazıda orada.
Yox,
Textdə.
ümumiyyətlə. Yox, ümumiyyətlə. Yox, burada əslində şeyə görədir. Yox, mənə bildim başqa bir şeydir bu. Zamanla əlaqəli olanda köhnə olanı aşağı yazırsınız. If it is time related, you have to write old value here, but it is not time related, it is compression. For compression, you have to write second one to denominator. Value which come after then.
Olar bir şey soruşum. Bəs o position 5 olsaydı onda nətər eləyərdik?
So which one is 5? That one.
Aha, position 5. Yes.
Like this.
Bəs o birincini?
Burada.
Aha.
Yeah,
Onda
for
kvadrat
that one it
əlavə.
will not work. For that one it will not work. For this one you have to do here auto change, then you can find answer. That's why use this one. Okay, why I wrote here square? Because difference between them is 10. 10 over 5 is 2. That's why I wrote here square.
Başa düşdüm. Bəs
Aha.
15
Biraz karışıktı. Actually, it is
Burada da
not.
1-dir, başa düşdüm mən. Okay.
If you use that one, it is better. Use Persian change formula.
Mhm.
Yoksa başka bir şeydi. Neyse. Okay. Pyramid question. And oh, tamam. Bu biraz vaxt alır. Okay, let's write it here. A right square pyramid has a total surface area of surface
Şeydə
area.
axırıncıda 3 buzaq alacaqdıq. 3 buzağın hipotenuzu var idi, bir tərəf var idi. Oradan da öyle 14 idi cavab
Yeah,
proqramı.
this one, right. And later surface area is equal to
Bu
96.
əslində çətin deyil.
No, it's not actually very hard. We have only three step here. And it says that it is right square pyramid. Okay, let's also write this one. Right square pyramid. Okay, now let's look it from in this. I will draw it here. Okay, let's first draw one pyramid. Okay, think that one is square, by the way. Okay, how to find its surface area? For finding its surface area, just wait. For finding its surface area, you have to use this formula. Surface area is equal to for triangle, this triangle, that one, that one, that one, and that one. For triangles plus it is square base, right? But for lateral surface area, it is only for triangle. So that's why we have to tell it like that. We have to think it like this. Let's say that it is length of base is x. That one is x, let's say. It's also x, it's also x, and it's also x. And how to
Olar
find
bir şey deyim.
Dene.
Biz buradan 18,816-dan 9600 çıxanda elə bil BZ tapırıq. BZ-in
Yeah,
də
yeah, it's correct.
elə
But we
bil
will not do this method. But you also
square root eləyirik, yox?
yeah, right.
Bəs hansı yaxşıdır? Hansı metod yaxşıdır? Bu?
Actually, both of them are same
Ha.
because we will create system equation. So actually, it's both of them are same.
Mhm.
Okay, that one is slant 8, right? It is slant 8, and let's say that that one is y. Okay, do you have any question until here? No? Okay, let's continue. Okay, now let's write 18,816 is equal to, for triangle is 4 multiple by 1 over 2, multiple by x, right? Multiple by y plus x square, or write x just like this. And 9,600 is equal to only this part. Okay, do you have any question until here? No question. Okay. So it means that slant height is equal to this one is equal to 96, right? Or no, 50. That one is 50. And that one, x is equal to 48, 90.
48.
Yeah, 96. Now we have to create here triangle. So think it like this. We have a triangle like that. So it is 48. It is 50, 50. 50, 48, and question. We don't know that one. There you go. So we have 50 as a hypotenuse. 50 square is equal to 48 square plus, let's say, a square. Okay, let's say x square. And what's the value of x? 14. So answer is 14.
50 əslində biraz başqa cürə də tapa bilərdik. Elə məsələn 18,816-dan çıxıb
Yeah. Also you
9,000
can use that one.
eləyir
Can find it is difference.
9216.
When you find this difference, you will get area of base automatically. Then x
Yəni
square.
2400 bizdə neçədir? 9600 bölürük 4-ə 2400. O da neçə eləyir? O da 96 base, 2-də 1 vur 96 vur height tapırıq 50.
Yeah, correct. So we have two methods for solving it, but they're actually same. Bunu da atalım gruba. Okay. Now let's look this one, 22.
Bunu Desmos'la eləmək olar. Bu
Yes,
22.
you can do it with Desmos. But here first you have to do alpha change. Okay, you can see that it's x square, and x with power of 4. So let's say that x square. Let's do substitution.
Kiçik üstə görə 2y bərabər 23-ə, x y də bərabər 7. Oradan füçə vurmaq cavab çıxır.
Yeah, from there also you can do it. Let's do substitution.
Nətər, onu bir dəfə də deyə bilərsən.
I will tell it, but I am now
Okay.
different method. Let's say that y is equal to x square. 6y square plus 23y plus 7. Okay. But here for finding it is x-intercept, we have to say it again x. So bu biraz karışık oldu.
Olar hə, onsuz y. Ha.
Göstermemiş. Okay, you can see that these two are x-intercept. So we can say that it is actually like this. Y is equal to 6 multiplied by a multiplied by x minus x1 multiplied by x minus x2. Then from here we can write it like this. Y is equal to 6 multiplied by x, but this x is actually x square. It is 1 over 3, right? Negative 1 over 3. And x minus 3.5, negative 3.5. So it is like that. So after that, we have to think it like this. Because it is negative, it will become positive. 2 negative will be positive. And it is same for that one. And we say actually x square is x, then we use Desmos. So it is actually x square. So it is like that. If you write it also x square, you can see that they are same. So both of them are same. So then it is correct. Okay, now let's look these two different cases. So it says that we have to write it 3x squared and 2x squared. But for first one, a and b are integer. For second one, c and d are non-integer. That's why you have to think it like that. First case is like this. Y is equal to, think it like 2 multiplied by 3. Okay. But first multiple 2 by that one. So it will be like this. 2x squared plus 2 over 3. Just wait. Then multiple by 3x squared plus 10.5. Y is equal to, now multiple 3 by first one. It will be 3x squared plus 1 multiple by 2x squared plus 7. Then it says that what's the value of a plus c? A plus c is, both of them is with 3x squared. So one of them is 1, one of them is 10.5. So it will be 1 plus 10.5. So it is first method, and I also show second one, if you didn't understand that one. Okay, any question from here?
Bunu mən başa düşmədim.
Here we did it like that. We write instead of x squared x, then we find it is x-intercept from Desmos. Then we use x-intercept form. Second method actually is easier than that one. So let me show second method, then we can discuss it again. İkinci metod daha asandı. Birinci metod biraz karışıktı. 3x squared plus a 2x squared plus b is equal to this one, right? 6x with power of 4 plus 2ax squared plus 3bx squared plus ab is equal to 6x with power of 4 plus 23x squared plus 7. Just wait. Okay. Now you can do here elimination like this. You can eliminate that one, you can eliminate that one. Then we can write 7 is equal to AB. Then you can write 2a plus 3b is equal to 23. Then you have to write it like this. xy is equal to 7. 2x plus 3y is equal to 23. Then look to decimals. Then look at this intersection point. So here we have two intersection points, this one and this one. So a is equal to 1 here because, okay, a is equal to 1, this one. And c is equal to 10.5. Because a is integer, c is non-integer. Then it is 1 plus 10.5. Okay, did you understand this method, Ilyas? And
Yes.
remaining.
Yes.
Mhm.
Any question from here? Yoxdur, sual? No question?
Amma çox ümidvaram ki, belə şey düşməz.
Bu düşə bilər çünki bir dəfə düşüb. That one, I saw this question only for once at December, so probably you will see this question at March, May or June. Yəni bunu başa
Bunu
düşmədiyən
Belə bir
başa
şey deyil.
denə.
Mən elə bir dənə çəkə bilərsən o. Hə, elə baxırıq 3x-i bir də 2x-i deməli 3x-ə gəlir 2x ortadakının cəminə bərabərdir 22. Bir də x y olmalıdır. Həmişə x y olur. Ona görə də bu da 7-yə bərabərdir. Bu yansın promat çıxır.
Nə öyle yəni düzdür. Ya biz əslində bununla sən dediyin şeydir.
elə görsədə bilərsiniz o dediyi kimi.
Gələ bu bunu deyirdi yəni.
Burada niye 0.667'ni götürmedi, 10.5'i götürdü?
Çünki because you can see that here d is instead of b, right? 2x kvadrat plus d, 2x kvadrat plus b. Düzdür. Burada da b-nin qiyməti y-dır. Ona görə burada 0.66 d-dir əslində. Belə deyim, here a and b are integer, right?
Mhm.
So it make a is equal to 1, b is equal to 7. C and D are integer, but C and A are same. I mean, both of them is 3x squared plus, right? That's why C
Mhm.
is x, so C is 10.5 and D is 0.666. Aydın
Mhm.
olmazsa yenə deyim.
Yo, aydın oldu, onlar non-integers'dır da. Amma mənə bir şey aydın olmadı. 2ax kvadrat plus 3bx kvadrat niyə yazırıq da onları?
Bunu vurub açdım mən. Vurub açdıq.
Sadəcə açdınız elə,
Ha, sadəcə
okey.
vurub
Onu
açdıq.
açdıq. Bəs sonra 6x,
Sonra sistem
bəs
təlifi.
20.
X kvadratlarının qabaqları. Bax. 2A plus
Yo,
3B.
bildim.
AB.
Aa,
Sonra A'ya X dedim, B'ye Y dedim. Sonra da birincisini yazdım. Sonra bu kadar. Yani çətin deyil aslında.
bəs 6x şeydə,
İxtisar getdi onlar.
soldakından,
Ha.
sol tərəfdə. Hə, başa düşdüm.
Qurmal, sən deyəsən sual bayaq soruşdun. Sən başa düşdün niyə 0.66-nı götürmədik?
Aha, aydın oldu.
Necə?
Aydın oldu.
Ha, tamam. Sadəcə əslində bunu ikinci səfər yenə yazmalısınız. Bunu. Amma eyni şey olduğuna görə bunu təzədən yazmaya ehtiyac yoxdur. Vaxt israfıdır. Bu sualı evdə baxın. Yəni tam başa düşməyə çalışın, özünüz eləməyə çalışın. Başa
Amma
düşməsəz,
bunu mən tam başa düş. Bunu olar dərsdə bir dəfə də tam aydınlaşdırarıq.
aha, olar. Dərsdə yenə baxarıq.
Okay.
Ha, bu biraz uzun getdi. Birinci səfərdə bir modulu 45 dəqiqəyə qurtarırıq. Normalda 30 dəqiqəyə
Amma
qurtarırıq.
o birisi modul çox asandır. Buna
Bu
baxarıq.
çətin moduluydu demək ki. Yaxşıdır.
Yox, müəlliməsi də çətin deyildi bu.
Ola bilər. Deyəsən əvvəl biraz əvvəlki suallar.
Mənə elə gəlir o birisi modul bundan çox asandır da, yəni.
Ola bilər. Nəsə. Başlayaq. Okay, let's start to version 2, I think. Yes, version 2. Ha, baxaq kim var burada. Nəsə, tamam. Okay, let's start. First question. Slope is equal to negative 1 over 4. It means that here have to be 1 over 4 negative. And that one is y-intercept, so it have to be plus 19. Answer is B. B. After 4 minutes, x represent probably minute. Where x? Okay, x minute, 4 minutes, so x is 4. Answer is 120A. You have to just change, you have to do cross multiplication here. W is equal to negative 188x. B. A. Answer is A. You have to just open it. Yeah, no, not open. You have to think it like that. You have to think it like this. X
Yenə başqa rəqəm qoyardıq tezat. Elə cavabları yazardıq, amma çıxardı.
also correct. You can also give a number instead of x, then you can get answer. Or you can think it like this: a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So 49 is 7 square actually, and 14 is 2 multiplied by 7. So from here we can think it like this: x plus 8 plus 7 square. So answer is x plus 15 square. A. Answer is A. Or yerine qiymət də qoya bilərdiniz. You have to put that expression to first side. It will be x plus 7 is equal to 68. Answer is C. It say what's the value of x plus 7? Be careful here. Here we have to find slope. Some students write them to decimals and they are looking which one looks like this function. It is not correct because, yeah, it's correct, but when you write to decimals, you have to be careful. I will show it. Let's use slope. Let's take 2 point. Let's take that one, 8 and 610 approximately. And we have 0 and 150. Or you can take 148.13. Then you have to use this formula.
1 ilə 200-ü götürə bilərik.
1 and 200. Yeah, also you can take 1 and 200. But when you select 2 point, you have to select, don't select closer points. Because when you select closer points, your chance of doing, let's say, yəni biraz səhv götürəndə böyük olur. Ona görə yaxın yox, uzaq götürün. So when you choose closer points, your answer can be wrong shortly. So we got that one as a slope, so answer is D.
İstə mən bunu eləyəndə biz baxdım, elə promo 700-də 10-dur, ən çox olanı götürdüm, elə D variantı.
Elənirəm elə.
Now bəlkə də. But some student here do it like this. Y is equal to 58.61x plus 148.13. So for that one, you can see that it is like this. They are not same. So they think D is not correct. They take option B because option B is closer to that one. So, but it is not B because it is, look, 0, 200, 0, 200. But in question it is different. In question it is 1, 1, 1, but it is 100, 100, and etc. Okay, shortly it is D. If you have question, ask me. I will explain it again. 7. For 7, we have to use this number 5, 12, 13. If you remember, in triangle we have 3, 4, and 5. 3 for our legs, 5 is hypotenuse, and we have 5, 12, and 13. So if this 10 square root of 39, it is actually 5 multiplied by 2 square root of 39. 24 square root of 39 is 12 multiplied by 2 square root of 39. And as a result, it will be 13 multiplied by 2 square root of 39. So answer is B. Any question?
Hı.
Okay. Let's continue. Answer is B shortly. Here we have to create a function of both of them. For ant1, it is 10 multiple by. For ant1, it is 10 plus 8.5 multiple by number of hours. Let's say it is x. For Taylor, it is 7 plus 9.5 multiple by number of hours. Then it says that for what value of x, Taylor total charge is greater than ant1. Taylor is that one, so that one have to be greater than first one. Then look to Desmos. Then you will get 3. So x is greater than 3. Answer is D. 9. At least 20 of the 27, so C. C is correct. At least 21 mean it's x is greater than or equal to 21. It is C. Slope is equal to 3 over 4. Y is equal to 3 over 4x plus B. Then use this point, right here 16, right here 0 and right here 16. Then B is equal to negative.
Bir x də yazmaq olar da, çıxsın sırası.
Ne yazmak olar?
X.
Yeah, also you can do it like this. You can write instead of bx, you can find it from Desmos. What fraction of even integer represented in the table from list A? So here first we have to find what's the total number of even integer. It is 52. And out of this 52, how many of them from list A it is 12? The answer is A. Because it says 3.5% decrease, you have to use this one. 100 minus 3.5 over 100. So it will be 0.965. Answer is that one. So it is, by the way, that one is value of B in this formula. Okay.
Okay.
A is the initial value. A is starting value. 13. G of x is equal to 3x. F G of x is equal to 12. So 12 is equal to 3x. X is equal to 4. So answer is 4 here. This one. For this type of question, if you want to use discriminant, I highly recommend you divide it by 2. That one will help you decrease your chance of doing miscalculation. X square
Bunu
minus
da
x.
bunu diskriminantsız eləmək olmur elə. Desmos'la.
Actually, you can do it, but it is also longer. It is not easy. So best
Okay.
method here is discriminant. Discriminant is equal to b squared 36 minus 4ac. 4ac will be 1 and negative 13 over 2. So it will be 62. And then we can write x is equal to negative b. Negative b will be 6, right? We have to look here, not here. 6 minus square root of 62 over 2. And it is equal to 3 minus square root of 62 over 2. So it means that k is equal to 62 and h is equal to 3. So answer is 65, D. Okay, if you want to know how to use Desmos for that one, you can do it like this. I am deleting this one if you don't have any question. Do you have any question from here?
Yes, no.
Okay. If you want, you can write it to Desmos is equal to 0. Then you can take this answer from here, that one and that one. Okay. Then you can make it equal to, because it is minus, you have to take smaller one. It is equal to h minus 1 over 2 square root of k. That one is equal to h plus 1 over 2 square root of k. Then it's a system of equation. Then you can calculate value of h and k from here. You can write instead of h x. Aha, bunu belə götürür. No, x is equal to h, I think. And write y is equal to k. Yox, bunu belə götürmədi. Okay, let's do it like that.
H-lə elə K-in yerinə hə.
Yeah,
Olar
I'm doing also
yazmışam.
like this. X, Y, Y, X.
Aha.
And look this
Rounded.
intersection point. Then also close that one. Then look this intersection point. You will get answer. So 3 and 62. It is 62. So it means that H is equal to 3 and K is equal to 62. So again, it's also longer, right? Or yoxsa elə deyil. Uzun deyil.
Ya bu yaxşıdır.
Ay, məncə uzundur amma bilmirəm.
Olar bir şey soruşum.
Görür.
Bir dənə burada deyəsiz də minus 0,937 H minus bəs 6,937 H plus niyə elədik?
Niyə bu plus, bu minus oldu?
Yəni o x1, x2-yə görə.
Ha, bu elə bil ki, diskriminantın düsturu nə idi? Diskriminantdan sonraki düstur. -b üstə gələk kök altına diskriminant, bir də çıx diskriminant, düzdür?
Hədə o x1, x2 şey var.
Ha, ona görə.
Üstə gəl bir
Orada
də çıx. Ona
plus
görə.
olan böyük olandı, minus olan kiçik olandı. Ona görə. Tərsinə
Başa
yazsan yəqin ki,
düşdüm.
cavab çıxmaz idi.
Başa düşdüm.
Okay, let's also try with minus here and plus here. So you can see
Yox,
there is no intersection point. So if you see in exam you don't have intersection point, do that one plus and that one minus. You will get it. Okay,
okey.
sual var burada kimdəsə?
Yox.
Tamam. Okay, just wait. Okay, let's take a screenshot. Okay, let's continue. Again, answer is mean. But for example, okay, let me explain that one. It says that data F consists 55 integer from 152 to 260. Data set G is equal to data set F plus 10. Because we add here smaller number, smaller than all of them, mean will decrease, right?
Yes. Bəs nə vaxt median dəyişərdi? Məsələn,
I,
orada
I
nə
will
yazıldı?
I will tell it.
Okay.
Here we don't have any information about this integer. It can be same, it can be different from each other, right? All of them can be 200, for example. That's why median may be same and maybe decrease, may decrease. So that's why, because it's a must, answer is only one. Okay, but for example, for this question, when median will decrease? If it say there is a 55 different integers, or if it say 55 consecutive integers, do you know meaning of consecutive? It means ardıcıl, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Consecutive. I think like this. Yeah. For this case, median will decrease. But for this case, median may decrease. Başa
Mhm.
Başa
Yo,
düşdünüz?
başa düşdü ya. Bir dənə orada yaza bilərsiniz. Median decrease. Onu mən screenshot eləyim ki,
Yazar.
bu ikisini.
For this situation, median must decrease.
Şu. Aha.
Okay, but generally, in exam, I saw for 2024, for this type of question, answer is only mean for all the time. I saw, I think, 4 or 5 question like that, and for everyone it was only one, only mean, not only one, only mean.
Məncə trik eləyə bilərlər.
But yeah, they can change it.
Aha, change eləyə bilərlər.
So I don't know when, but they can change it. So be careful for in this type of question. Okay, increase it by 149% means that you have to add it to 100, then divide it by 100. 2.49, D. Write it to decimals. Y1 is equal to A, which power of x1 plus B. I forgot to create table. First create table, then write it. The answer is negative 21. No, positive 29. Positive 29. Any question? Okay. Let's say that in exam
Positive or negative?
positive. Yeah, first I say negative, but I subtract the.
Yes, yes.
Okay, let's say that in exam first you write it that you write that one, then you create table. So when you do it like this, there's a problem like that. It will be x2, y2. So if you write this point here, you will get nothing. Because there is no any relation between them and that one and that one. There's no relation between table and function. So that's why you have to make it 2. Or you have to make it 1. So, yəni belə səhvlər eləməyin. 1 gallon sealant costs $23. Let's write 1 gallon is equal to 23.
Şey olur ya, burada çox vasiy olur həmişə. Yəni 250-nin
Yeah,
yarısı.
yeah. Answer is C for that one. Clear.
Özdə 18-ci sualda belə A ilə B ola bilməzdi belə, yəni asandır.
Bilmirəm. Maybe yes, I don't know.
Bunu yəni elə də çətin deyil də eləmək.
No, it's
Görürsən,
not hard. It's just proportion. You have to use proportion. Okay, say D square feet. So let's write D square feet here. Abi biraz uzakta oldu. Okay, D square feet. Then it says that twice, you have to also be careful here. Because say twice, you have to take 2D. Now we have to find first how many gallon we need here. Let's say that it is X gallon. So if it is X gallon, let's try to find X gallon. For finding X gallon, you have to do cross multiplication here like that. 250x is equal to 2D. Then x is equal to 2D over 250. And it is equal to D over 125. Then it says that 1 gallon is equal to $23. So you have to multiply it by 23 for finding this answer. So answer is C. So I hope you understand. 19. Oh, again, pyramid question. Okay, let's look. Okay, nəsə baxaq gəlin. We have right square pyramid. Let's write it. And for that one, okay, let's say that for A right pyramid, height is 11.
Sürfəs piramidanın sürfəsi arası 2r kvadratı üstə gələk 2r h idi də.
It is cylinder, I think. You say cylinder, right? 2pr square plus 2prh. It's for cylinder. For pyramid, it is just 4 triangle plus base. Or 3 triangle plus base. Okay, second one is 22. And for both of them, area of base is equal to 100 for both. Then say that what's the difference between surface area? What's the difference between surface area? A and B. Okay, then let's draw it in Desmos. Okay, it is our first pyramid. Let's say that height is 11. And we have second one. And their base are same, it's also important. If their base are square and they have area of 100, we can say that side of base is equal to 10, right? Demek buradan da. Okay, let's write here 10. This 10 and that one is also 10. 10, 10. They are also 10. Also 10. Okay, after that, we have also this height. Let's draw it as height. Just wait. Böyle koyalım. Okay, let's draw it as also height. So this height is equal to 22. This height is also equal to. No, it is 11. It is 22. 11, 22. Okay. Now let's find this surface area. When we are finding difference between surface area, how to find surface area of one pyramid? It is, we know that surface area is equal to 4 triangle plus base. But when you find difference between them, because their bases are same, they will be eliminated, right? We have to just find area of triangle. So that's why we need to find just area of one triangle. So difference is equal to.
Biz nə edə bilərik? Ondasa elə bil bir dənə xətt çəkib heytdən də bir dənə triangle. Onu 5 yazıb oradan onun tapıb areasını.
Yeah, right.
Öbüründən compare etmək.
Correct. We have to just do here. We have to just draw line here. We have to just
5 years.
also
Yes,
draw 8. So it is 11, it is 5. We can find 8, right? 8 is equal to square root of 11 square plus 5 square. So it is our height. Then we have to multiple this value by 10, right? Then we have to
Yeah.
divide it by 2. Then we can find area of this triangle. Then if we multiply it by 4, we will get it is how to say lateral surface area.
O
Then
birisində
let's
də
add
həmin
it also
şey
100.
deyir.
Not very hard. Okay, then we have to do same thing for second one. But you can see that
22.
only difference is that one is 22, right?
Yes. And just after that,
So it's so.
yeah.
And let's say that it is A, it is B,
Bu çox asan idi deyirəm də sizə. Bu modul o birisindən asan deyil.
A minus B. Or B minus A, okay.
Atarsa mən bunu.
Do understand. Necə?
Qrupa atarsa bunu screenshot edib.
Yaxşı. I also see this question only for once. Maybe you can see it also at May.
Bu asan sualdır da, düz deyil.
Yeah, it's actually easy. I think it is easy.
Yes,
But
siz.
it take time just drawing the pyramid, then doing calculation and etc. Biraz vaxt alır sadəcə. Ona görə xoşum gəlmir. 20,
Vaxt al.
21 and 22. Okay, for 20, for 20 we have 5.7 meter per second square. It is equal to, we have to convert that one to mile per minute square. So that's why we have to convert 1 meter to mile. Let's say it is question mark and mile. Okay, what we have to write here? What's your opinion? We have to write here one.
Square.
No, that's, we have to
109
find
eləyir. O
For
bir də
Aha.
1 böl
yes,
square 1 böl 3600 edir. 3600 yuxarı gedir.
right.
3600 böl 1609 yapmış
Hmm.
Then we have to convert also second to square. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, so 1 second is equal to 1 over 60 minutes. Then also do substitution here. Then write it here. Then raise it to square. Then you will get answer. It is our answer. Then just delete mile and minute. It will calculate for you. So you don't need to do calculation in SAT generally. Okay, so answer is 12 point.
Bunun cavabı necə yazaq bunu?
You have to write 12.8. If you write 12.75, it is not correct.
Mən burada belə elədim. 12.7 yazdım, səhv çıxdı.
Yeah, it's not correct because
Orada yazılmışdı, yəni rounded to the nearest tens. Mən də 12.8 yazmamışdım, 12.7 yazdım.
okay. Yeah, if in exam if you do it like that, it is not correct. So it is important. Çox tələbə buna fikir vermir, amma bu önəmlidir. Ona görə çox uşaq gedir, 700 gözləyirsiniz, amma 620 zad gəlir. Bunlar önəmlidir. And the last two questions, they are easy. They are actually not easy, they are shorter.
Hər
Okay,
sualda similarity-dən də elə bilərdik. Araya ilə
Bu
Yeah,
həmən
we
şeydir,
looked
hə.
that one yesterday, I think. Yesterday or 2 days ago.
Onu bəlkə buraxaq. Elə bir şey də
Aslında
bunu.
çox da uzun deyil, gəlin də baxaq. It is D, it is 21. Here we have to just find sine twice, then we will get answer. So let's look sine C. It is equal to BD over BC, opposite over hypotenuse.
Cavab 32 bölü 21-dir elə, yəni
Yeah,
çeviririk. O
sine
bəlkə
C
belə.
from bigger triangle is 21 over 32. Okay, then you have to just write BC over BD is equal to 32 over 21.
Yo, elə olmamalıdır axı. BD, BS, aha 21, 32, 32, 21, hə. Söz.
It's all. Any
Sorry.
question?
No.
Bu da yaxşı sualdır məncə.
Belə sual düşsə yaxşı olardı.
I didn't really understand.
Which part you
I
didn't
didn't
understand?
understand.
Why do you take
have-
21 or 32?
Okay. We have to find just actually here you have to use similarity probably. But if you find sine C from here, it's 90 degree. I didn't write that one. It's 90 degree, right? So from here you can find sine C. Sine C is equal to BD over BC, right?
Yes.
Also, we have to find BC over BD, so they are similar to each other. So if we find value of BD over BC, automatically we can find BC over BD.
Okay.
Then you have to find sine C from bigger triangle. It is 21 over 32, right? Did you get?
We can actually
yeah,
do it
yes.
with similarity, yes. Like AB over BC, it's the BD over AC. Yes.
Yeah, also you can use similarity, right? And also you can use area. BC multiplied by AB is equal to BD multiplied by AC. There's also
Yes, area also.
we discussed
It's
this
the same, yes. It's
Yeah.
the same.
same. Yerkan, did you understand?
Yes, I did.
Yes? Okay. Okay, and last one, this question, it is very short. You have to just write the decimals. If you want, you can multiply by 148 CX, then look to discriminant. Or you can write instead of CY, then look at this turning point or vertex point, something like that. Okay, here you can see that only we have this point as this point which function turns. You have to take this y value. What's this is y value? 37. So C is 37. When C is greater than 37, because we have a function here, one like here, one like here, it means that we have two solutions. For this part, there is no solution. And probably when C is equal to 0, there is one solution. Okay, but we don't need to this part. We have to look here. Okay, so answer is 30, negative 37. Any question?
Müəllim, bir dənə 11-ciyə yenidən baxa bilərik.
11. Okay, any question from 22?
No.
Okay, 11. This one. Xəzər, bunu
Bəli.
deyirsən.
Bəli, burada müəllim bizdə nə desəydi, cavabı 12 bölünsün 100 olaraq götürərdik.
12 bölünsün 100.
Bəli.
If it say like that, if an integer selected, what's the probability it is from even integer from list A, something like that. Gözə yazın bunu, yaza göstərin. Okay, cavabın 12 bölü 100 ola bilməsi üçün birincisi demək ki, bu hamısına seçilib. Belə olmalı. If an integer is selected. İndi 12 buradan ola bilməsi üçün də belə olmalıdır ki, what's the probability that it is an even integer. Ha, belə. From list A. Gördüyün kimi bax, bu ikisi də eyni yerdədir. Even integer and list A. Ona görə burada bu hissəni götürürsən, 12-ni. Burada da if an integer selected deyinə görə 100-ü götürürsən. Ona görə cavab olur 12 bölü 100. Aydındır.
Bəli, aydındır. Çox sağ olun.
Fraction'dan desək belə olar. What fraction of integers are even integer from list A? Onu da yazdım, yoxsa ehtiyac yoxdur?
Ehtiyac yoxdur müəllim. Çox sağ olun.
Tamam. Tamam. Başqa sual var? Any question?
Sağ ol.
Okay, if no question for today, it is all. I am sending another to model 2 for tomorrow.
Yəni US-im olacaq, yoxsa bizimki olacaq?
Baxaq. Baxaq nədir sıradakı. Okay, we did today version 1 and version 2. Yerlər deyəsə səhv gedib bunu. Okay, we did today this one, so it will be US. Məncə hə, US-ə düşür də bu. Okay, for next lesson it will be US. Okay, you can leave lesson if you want.
Mənim sağ olun.
Sağ olun.
Sağ ol.
Goodbye.
Çox sağ olun.
Sağ olun. Goodbye. Oh,
Sağ olun.
yeah. Sağ olun. Sağ olun. Sağ olun. Əli Murad. Görüşərək növbəti dərsdə.